Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to check storage space on Outlook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. This will load all your emails and give you access to your mailbox settings. Once you're logged in and your inbox appears on screen, you're ready to check your storage. Now direct your attention to the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are located. You'll see several tabs there and you need to click on the File tab to access your account settings. This tab is your gateway to managing various Outlook features, including storage information. After clicking on File, a new menu will open up showing you different account options and settings. Look at the right side of your screen and you'll immediately see your mailbox settings displayed there. This section shows you important information about your account, including how much storage you're currently using and how much total space you have available. You can see at a glance whether you're running low on storage or if you have plenty of room left for new emails and attachments. This is especially useful if you're experiencing any performance issues or if Outlook has been warning you about storage limits. And there you have it. You've now checked your storage space in Outlook and can see exactly how much room you have left in your mailbox. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.